Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. I know it has been so long since I filmed a cleaning video, but if you've been following my vlogs, you know that we moved into our brand new home. So today I'm sharing my very first cleaning video in the new house. If you're interested, stay tuned. Let's get started. So the boys and I have been out all day running errands, and as you can see, it is pitch black now and I have not cleaned one thing. Last weekend I cleaned the entire house from top to bottom for the first time, and yeah, no, we're not doing that. I literally burned like 700 calories trying to do that. So no, moving forward we are going to be cleaning room by room or area by area, or just cleaning all the bathrooms in one day and then maybe one day just cleaning the boys' room, like that, because trying to do this entire house, oh my goodness. Yeah, way different than my apartment for sure. So I'm just going to be doing some light cleaning here. Obviously, it's nothing too serious. I'm going to be sweeping these floors, getting the countertops cleared off and wiped down, cleaning the table off, and doing the dishes. My island in this little corner here has become the new ledge of death. If you remember, in my apartment I had that ledge that just collected everything. So yeah, these areas have definitely taken its place. I'm doing my best to keep it clear, but they just accumulate so many things. The papers from the boys' school, it's just becoming a drop zone. So I'm looking for some other furniture, like a console table or entryway table or something like that, where I can have a true drop zone so we can keep our kitchen counters clear. I have probably been to Home Goods 500 times since moving in, but I just wanted to show you some of the things that I picked up in my most recent trip. Oh, looking back. The spray I'm using is the Method Granite Cleaner. I have been loving my countertops because they do a good job of disguising things, but of course that is a blessing and a curse at the same time. So I'm wiping what may look like a clean counter, but really there are little things hiding.
Oh, I never knew that you would be the one headed my way, yeah. Oh, you caught me off guard.
The way spatulas and spoons just wake up and choose violence every day.
There's so many things that I wanna do to you. Can you visualize? It's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want.
around, living his best life in the back, as per usual.
What I'm trying to say, 'cause to you I'm an open book. Oh, take your time and read me slowly, baby. Got the hungry look, but it's hard to say all the things I want to, but I'm trying. Oh, to find a way to get close to you. It's so hard to say all the things I want to. I'm waiting to let you know how much I want you, yeah. When I think about you, I feel la 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 la. When I think about you, I want la 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 la. Yeah, yeah. When I think about you, I feel
The candle I'm burning right now is Bergamot Waters from Bath and Body Works, and I had never smelled it before I started burning it in this house, and honestly, it smells so good, like a freshly showered man walks outside in the summertime. So he's a little bit sweaty, but like not in a bad way. Okay, this is going in the wrong direction, but you understand what I mean, right? Like sun-kissed fresh man. That's what it smells like to me.
all the time.
Like I was mentioning before, these countertops do a great job of hiding lots of little smudges and stains. So I had a lot to clean off of this island because the boys eat here a lot of the times, especially snacks. So I needed to get that really cleaned off. So I did use 2 different microfiber towels. The first one to really wipe everything off, and then this is just drying and buffing so it can shine.
No, no. Yeah. Hear me out, hear me out. Yeah, I can make you do the craziest things. Yeah.
So now that we have all of our basic things or things that we need to function in this kitchen, like our table and the chairs and the bar stools, the table and the bar stools are from Target and the chairs are from Home Depot. I'll try to link everything in the description box below. But now that we have all of that stuff, I am I'm on the hunt. Anyway, I'm hunting for accessories and things that kind of spice the space up. I kept all of the base things pretty neutral so I can switch it up with the decor depending on the season and whatever holiday is coming around. And I really have not done that yet. And I know Easter is coming up and everyone has like their Easter decor out, but I don't think I want to make it for Easter, honestly. And I'll just have it out for 2 weeks, and then it'll be time to take it down. So maybe I'll do something for like spring, summer. But let me know in the comment section below if you've seen anything that you think will be cute in this space.
I'm just a human, I admit it. What will it take for you to forgive me?
Now moving on to the powder room. This bathroom is probably our most used bathroom. It is close to the kitchen, to the family room where we hang out, and it's also close to my office. So when I'm working during the week, I use this bathroom. When we all come in the door from wherever we're coming from, we use this bathroom. So it gets used a lot, so I have to clean it more often because it's on the first floor. So if we have a guest, we always want to make sure we have a clean bathroom for them to use. So usually I just do a quick wipe down and use like a Clorox wipe or something really fast just to keep it tidy. But today I am actually going to clean the toilet, which I don't do a few times a week, only do that like once a week. So yes, we're just getting this nice and clean and fresh and ready for the week.
don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious, huh? So let me show you.
And I am all done. I know it was a quick one, but I hope it motivated you to just get a little bit of cleaning done before the weekend is over. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you are notified every time I upload a new video. With being in this new house, there's going to be a ton of decorating, purchasing furniture, organizing, and just making this house our home. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight.